Nature can be happy, nature can be sad, nature can be scary, and nature can be bad.
Nature gives us wonder and has amazed us all. If you compare yourself with nature, you don't stand very tall.
Evergreen trees and navy blue oceans, bright blue skies and grasslands in motion. Nature had many creatures, but now has lost its features.
Because of us making a fuss using a bus. If we don't use our minds, all sorts and kinds of living beings, including us, will die.